My name is Kelly Lehman. I started with Allen Edwin in January of 2020. What attracted me to joining Allen Edwin Homes was really their reputation for quality in the building industry, as well as the warranties and how they stand behind their homes. So before joining Allen Edwin, I was with a couple different builders. One was a large national home builder, and the other was a really small local builder. I love new construction because I grew up with parents who built several new homes, so it was always exciting to be the first person in that home, pick everything out that goes inside, and really make it your own. So, you know, when I work with clients who get to experience that, it's so cool to see them put their own stamp on a brand new home and be the first people to walk across that carpet and, you know, use that home and really enjoy it because it's something that they didn't think was possible. What really separates Allen Edwin Homes from other builders is that as sales counselors, we have the opportunity to really run our own business. We have multiple communities. We're not just restricted to one model home or one community, in a certain area. We can, obviously branch out into other areas, and there's just a ton of opportunity. So the sales training at Allen Edwin is really comprehensive. Whether you come from a background with sales experience or no real estate experience or background, or maybe you do, everybody starts on the same page. And it's really a good hands-on learning experience with classroom experience combined with out in the field. You're getting to shadow some of the senior level people. The classes are taught by the head of sales and marketing himself, and really you're learning from the best in the industry. So what surprised me about new home sales at Allen Edwin is it's really endless opportunity. You're not restricted to selling in one community or out of one model home like other builders. There's just tons of opportunity as they open new communities in new areas, various price points. So it's just kind of a never-ending pipeline of sales, which is really exciting that the leads are generated for you, and you basically have all kinds of price ranges to sell in. So as a sales counselor at Allen Edwin Homes, you get amazing support from the executive leadership team to your sales coach and manager, to having a mentor when you're in training, to everyone just supporting you and having your back all the time. There's a phenomenal closing department that keeps you on track with your paperwork and timelines. There's great IT support, and you work hand in hand with your production team to make a great client experience. I think the compensation is better here at Allen Edwin Homes than other builders. I know other builders can change their compensation, and if they raise prices, then they lower the compensation percentage. So since I've been at Allen Edwin for 4 years, there's been no changes to that. And the really cool thing is that when you work with your selected core group of realtors, you actually get a higher compensation. So it's highly encouraged for you to build those broker relationships, and you get paid for it. It's great. So the culture at Allen Edwin is really unique. It feels like a true family. Everyone from executive leadership throughout the company genuinely cares about each other. They're friends outside of work, and there's just a unique culture of support, care, love, and everybody wants you to do well. It's very uplifting. I think what makes Allen Edwin such a unique company is that it feels like a small family-run business when it's this multi-million-dollar company. And people are spread out all over the state, and when we come together, it's just a great feeling, like you're with your friends and family. So what keeps me working at Allen Edwin Homes is that I love the day-to-day challenge and the opportunity to make a high income. So that's what keeps me working at Allen Edwin Homes. I think someone should pursue a career in new home sales with Allen Edwin if you're looking for a fantastic company who's run by great leadership, who's seen some really tough times and come out stronger. The second thing would be if you're financially motivated, you want to make a high income, the potential here is endless to make well into the multiple six figures. And the third thing would be if you're genuinely interested in helping people change their lives. When you're giving someone the opportunity to have homeownership, you are truly changing lives and putting smiles on people's faces. And these are memories that they can create in this new home forever.